Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. This website is entirely made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Very beginner friendly project. Definitely try to make this project. It will be very helpful to gain more experience and knowledge on web development. So now let's go through the website. This is the home page. We can see the very animation effect on the fonts that we have, that headings. Then you can see the effect on the blocks. This is the image that we added. Then you can see the about me section, and you can see continuously moving skill sets that I have added here. Then you can see my skill section. Then you can see the barring effects, how neatly they are coming in animation. Then this is my work, the portfolios that I have created, and you can see the hover effect on it, creating a background. Then you can also move using the swiper JavaScript library we have used here. You can see how neatly they have all been aligned, and you can see the box shadow effect around the images as well. Then we can also move to the next section, that is the block section. You can see the hover effect on them, and you can see change in color as well as getting an overlay white color background. Then we have the contact section and send button, and we have the social media icons. You can see the hover effect based on the color of their particular section. Then we can go to the about section. This is the about section. This is the about section. You can see where the smooth transition, and you can also download your resume from here. And then we can go to the work section. The work section we have here. The blocks. The block section. See the smooth transition effect. And any block suggestion that you want to give, you can enter here in the form element. Then contact section. You can see this is the loader that I have created, loader effect, before getting online into the website. Contact section, you can see the box shadow effect around the form element, as well as the social media icons, the GPS location also. The entire website is responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. Let me show you that. The mobile version of the website, you can see the smooth transition effect, how neatly they are all been aligned. You can see the very good transition effect, as well as perfectly aligned everything in their respective places. And this is the menu bar, and this website is also available in mobile and tab version. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing tutorials, and the source code will be available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.